Although cinnamon commonly evokes feelings of warm winter days by the fire, it also has many health benefits that most people don't realize, including lowering blood sugar in individuals with diabetes. Almost everyone is familiar with the taste and aroma of cinnamon, but most people don't realize that this fantastic culinary spice also has numerous health benefits. Cinnamon not only tastes good, it may also improve your health while tantalizing your taste buds. Cinnamon comes from the bark of a tropical evergreen tree, and its active components, the substances believed to be responsible for the herb's healing qualities, are present in its essential oils. Health benefits of cinnamon. Some of the most valuable benefits of cinnamon include reducing inflammation, stopping bacterial growth, lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, preventing the clumping of blood platelets, and improving the body's response to insulin in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Some studies even suggest that cinnamon may improve cognitive function, although further research is required. Of all cinnamon's benefits, perhaps the most amazing is the herb's ability to reduce blood glucose, or blood sugar, levels in the blood. A study published in the Diabetes Medical Journal, Diabetes Care, examined the effects of cinnamon on 60 adults suffering from type 2 diabetes. The participants were given 1, 3 or 6 grams of cinnamon or a placebo once daily for a period of 40 days. The patients who were treated with cinnamon experienced a blood sugar reduction of 18 to 29%, as well as reduced cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Improving your health with cinnamon. Cinnamon is easy to use, simply add the ground spice to your favorite foods. The spice tastes wonderful in hot cereal, sprinkled on toast, used in baked goods, or even used in marinades for red meat. As little as 1/2 teaspoon, which equals about 1 gram, taken daily may reduce blood sugar levels by as much as 25%. If you don't like the taste of cinnamon, you may also benefit from taking the herb in capsule form. For the best results, take the equivalent of 3 to 6 grams of ground cinnamon in capsule form each day. Cinnamon precautions. Cinnamon is almost always safe to use, but women who are pregnant should avoid large doses, as too much may cause miscarriage. A normal amount found in food should not cause a problem, but more than 6 grams should be avoided. If unsure, consult your doctor before taking cinnamon supplements. The amount found in most foods is safe, however. In rare cases, cinnamon may cause a bronchial restriction or rash. If you're unsure how you might react to the substance, take small doses at first and work up to larger amounts. There are no known drug interactions with cinnamon, but if you plan to take supplements on a daily basis, feature articles, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor first.